So what we are here to do is power backup. Good day, everybody. My name is Akinlusi Paul Akinlua. I'm here to explain what we are doing today. What we want to do is that we want to have a power backup for all these floodlights at a location here in the studio. So we are designing a 1 kVA inverter, Indian inverter with original luminous Indian battery with Snyder is German, with Snyder circuit breaker. So the function of the circuit breaker is we can break from electricity, the one bringing load inside, and we can also break for the one going outside for the light supply, the CCTV. Majorly is just to power the floodlight and the CCTV. So when we are through, we'll still post the pictures and the videos so you can check it on our WhatsApp and Instagram page. So as we have currently, we have the load separate, the power supply separate. This the positive terminal, that's why you have red indication there, and this is the negative terminal. So the positive will go to the positive and the negative will go to the negative. So the first one to connect is always the negative. Yeah, it connects to the negative and if it's not, it's ẹ má ìgbìnà jáde lára o àbí tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi iná gbé ẹ kọ́kọ́ wọ́n fọwọ́ tọ́ thirteen span ẹ má omi nìyẹn náà ẹ má ra fún ìràwọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ sẹ́gbẹ̀dẹ̀ àjẹbẹ́ wọ́n yẹn máa jẹ pé kò sí ìgbà tó burú ní kọ́wọ́ àfáàkúlẹ̀ méjì.
àná ọwọ́ mi kò tí jẹ báyà gbá ọwọ́ ṣáṣá ni
o onírinṣẹ́ that's kind of onírinṣẹ́ sì pé jù bíbí má o rí
ṣáṣá.
So you first pack it. It's because it's 1 kVA.
This pack is not much.
Then the sparking will shape up. Yeah, I connect the line. So when you want to spark it, suffering, for CO. It's because it's 1 kVA.
When it's sparking, no, you don't want to
spark. It's because it's 1 kVA. Don't show one battery. So by just 4 battery, spark again.
Once it's discharged, just you cannot touch it.
The moment this spark about partially, let only focus. There was a check that I lost a buy a long call only can if one. I don't know. I don't do all of things. Inverter 8 batteries. Boy, go on buy. DC volt. Oh, Jawan and one on the street. The Pascal show I don't buy. The Pascal of Baba to turn back to do a letting. So go to display. Welcome to Kiniva. Switch off. On. No load. Who must we load to already? That fair off a quad. So then we will still connect it. The battery. So as I'm saying, we want to back it up so that at any point in time at night, especially at night, the CCTV will have a colored beep. Can you see that? So we'll be putting it there. So what we now did is this is their powerhouse. That is NEPA. That's the Ibadan Electricity Distribution Company. And we have the gen. So what we now did is this. If they are on NEPA, we can switch it over so that NEPA, that is the Ibadan Electricity Distribution Company, can charge the inverter. And if they are on gen, probably maybe they don't have light for some days, we can also switch the inverter to the generator mode so that the gen can also charge the inverter at the same time.